How we doing, everybody? Finally back on the Generac Mega Force 6500 watt generator. Been waiting for head bolts on. Finally got them today after about a month and a half of waiting for them. Got the head back on finger tight. Started putting the intake stuff back on. So tomorrow from work I'm going to bring home my torque wrench so I can torque down the head. Then I'll be able to set the valve clearances, install the rest of the intake components, get the exhaust back on, get all the blower shrouds and stuff back on, and fire her up, see how she does. I also took and opened the carb up just to take a look at it, make sure it was fine, and it was. I will be putting a new piece of fuel line on it, as well as adding a fuel filter. Got a new plug in the head, just finger tight for right now. Got a new oil filter on her, and I also changed the oil. Now, the engine was cold when I changed the oil, but I have changed oil before when an engine is cold, and have not had an issue doing it so far. So I'm just going to continue doing that for well, as long as I see fit. So, going to give you guys an update hopefully in the next day or two once she's running. It does a good job of running the whole house. Generac Mega Force 6500. CN 360, 13 horsepower. Just did a valve job on the engine, and as you can see, it runs good, carries a load good. So, gonna call this one good. As far as what I did with the valve job, cleaned up the head, flapped the valves, cleaned up all the valve train components, obviously a full new top end gasket kit. Oil and filter change, new air filter and pre-cleaner, new plug, went through the carb, and runs excellent. So I think he'll be very happy with it. Thanks for watching.